Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the trim thoroughly so the restorer can bond. Use soap and water, then wipe with a 0.5 microfiber towel and let it dry completely. Trapped moisture blocks absorption. Once done, test the product on an inconspicuous spot to confirm color and sheen. Apply a thin coat to a small section with an applicator pad. This first application primes pores and shows how the material reacts. Make sure to work in shade to avoid rapid drying that causes uneven finish. You now build coverage by working methodically in 3-foot sections so you maintain wet edge and consistent color. Use light, even strokes. For textured trim, choose a foam applicator or soft brush to get product into crevices. Avoid over-applying. Pooling causes blotches. Once the restorer sits for 5 to 10 minutes, buff excess gently with a clean microfiber to reveal uniform finish and prevent tackiness. If you need deeper tone, repeat a second thin coat rather than a heavy. You finish by applying a UV protectant to lock in the restored look and slow future fading. Plan to reapply every 3 to 6 months depending on sun exposure. If you see streaks or uneven spots, don't panic. Reapply a thin coat and smooth it while still damp to blend transitions. For severely faded plastic, use multiple light coats rather than one heavy one. This builds depth without creating stripes. Remember, drying in shade prevents flash drying that causes patchiness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.